In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly link. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that makes it easy to organize meetings without the back and forth of email. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues, clients, or friends, Calendly helps streamline the process by integrating directly with your calendar. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can create and share your own Calendly link quickly and effortlessly. To start, open up your web browser and type www.calendly.com into the search bar. Press enter and you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see two options, Log In and Sign Up. If you already have an account, click Log In. Alternatively, if you're new to Calendly, click Sign Up to create your account. Creating an account is simple and will help you get the most out of the platform. After clicking Log In, go ahead and log in using your Calendly credentials. If you prefer, you can also choose the Continue with Google option to log in with your Google account. If you go this route, you'll be asked to select which Google account you want to use. Be sure to choose the one that works best for your scheduling needs. This might be a professional or business account to keep things organized. Once you've selected your account, Calendly will request permission to access your Google account information. It's important to grant this access, as it allows Calendly to sync with your Google Calendar. This integration is key to preventing double bookings or scheduling conflicts, so make sure to click Allow when prompted. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Calendly dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your event types and scheduling options. From here, find the meeting type you'd like to customize or create a link for. To do this, locate the editing button next to the event type you want to work on and click it. Now, you'll see a list of event types displayed on your dashboard. These are essentially templates for different kinds of meetings or appointments you can schedule. Common options might include things like 15-minute quick calls, 30-minute meetings, or even longer consulting sessions. Take a moment to review the options available and select the event type that best suits the purpose of the meeting you're setting up. Once you've chosen your event type, look for the link icon associated with it. Click on this icon and Calendly will automatically generate a unique link for that specific event. This link is what you'll share with others, and it allows them to book appointments with you directly for the selected meeting type. Now that you've got your link, go ahead and copy it. This link is the key to making your scheduling process seamless, so keep it handy. You can now share it in a variety of ways, through email, on your website, or even via your social media platforms. By sharing this link, you're giving others a simple way to schedule time with you without the hassle of back and forth communication. And that's it. You've successfully created and copied your Calendly link, ready to share with the world. With this simple process, you can now streamline your scheduling, save time, and avoid unnecessary conflicts in your calendar. If you have any questions about this process or need help with other Calendly features, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.